Guys, I can't get something out of my head of dreams. I'm here on the coldest day of the year so far. Temperature 10 above zero, wind chill 17 below. We're going to go back and look at this spot that I found back about a month ago that I want to come here and fish. Guys, I just can't get this place out of my mind. We're going to go back here and explore as much as we can until we get too cold, then we're headed back home. And just like the amateur video that this is, in continuation of my many amateur videos, I cannot remember the name of the place. And Stormy's taking a poo. Never fails. All right, guys, we're going to get a little bit of beauty, and we're going to get back here to this lake. And if you guys have been following me, you're going to know exactly what place I'm talking about. Back about a month ago, we found this place. It's a lake in the middle of nowhere. It's a hidden gem. And guys, I just can't get this place out of my mind, because I'm looking forward to this spring to fish here. So let's get some beauty, and let's talk about this when we get back there. Alright, this looks like it goes way back that way, but we're not doing it today, guys. Like I said, it is bitter cold. And my wife is freezing to death. And Stormy is acting really brand new. On the way in here, we've seen a bunch of deer. So I don't know what the heck she's smelling on the ground, but she is all over the place. Let's get maybe a teeny bit, I don't know. I think we should get the lake and finish the video out, because it is freezing, guys. And my GoPro, it's probably the battery's going to probably end up freezing up. All right, guys, let's head over to the lake. I hate to do this because I see so much beauty over that way, off the beaten path. I want to go over and get it, but temperatures like this is dangerous. So let's get over here and do some talking. This place behind me has been in my dreams and in my thoughts since we was here last. I don't know what it is. The beauty of this place is just remarkable. I will be here this spring and summer. I will give this place a shot fishing. And it's in the middle of nowhere. Totally in the middle of nowhere. Okay, we're going to head back to the car. We're not going to get any more beauty shots on the way. We're just going to do a little talking on the way back. Because its temperature's the way it is right now, frostbite is definitely an option. Well, I say that right. Frostbite is definitely something that can happen. And I'm more worried about my wife and my dog than me. Here in southeastern Indiana, we are in some frigid weather, guys. Oh my God, Mother Nature has just came down and put the hammer on us. I wasn't able to walk yesterday. It was just too dang cold. Today, well, we was hoping to do a hike and come back out here and do this justice. And I was hoping the temperatures would at least come up to about 18 degrees. Now, it's not happening. But tomorrow, temperature's gonna be a little warmer, but I gotta make up a day I didn't walk yesterday and today. So I gotta go hit my normal walking laps after laps, because I'm lacking today. But I got something to talk about then. Yeah, boy do I ever have something to talk about. But my gosh, I just can't get this place out of my head. I just can't do it. That's all I'm thinking about, is coming back here, loading down for bear with the wagon, wheeling it all the way back here and fish all day long. I really don't care if I catch anything here or not. It's just the peacefulness. It's a place out of nowhere, you know? Oh my God. Oh, let me turn around this way. Look right this way. Nothing but woods. Woods and woods and woods and forest, whatever you want to call it. Behind me, Nothing but woods and forests and my beautiful wife. Over on this side, you got the lake and nothing but woods and forests as far as you can see that way. And basically, kind of in front of me, although we're on the trail back to where we parked the car. That's about a half mile up this way. Okay, we're pretty much almost at the trailhead. And guys, sorry for short video today, but believe me, I made some long ones last week. Oh my God, did I ever. Super long ones. Didn't mean to do that, but I did. Stormy, come on, baby. I just can't get this out of my head. We're gonna head back to the car. My mustache is completely froze over, and I got a feeling the GoPro's gonna die soon because the battery's gonna be froze up. So guys, we'll catch you next time. Come on, let's get out of here. It is too, whoops, almost fell. It's too dang cold. Just saying. Leave me comments. If you ever found a place so unique, you just can't stop thinking about it. Well, that's my place right there. All right, guys. We'll see you next time.